Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the effects quality setting in Ashes of Creation. Let's begin by opening the game menu. Press the escape button or the corresponding button on your controller. Or press this button right here. Once in the main menu, open the game options. In options, make sure you're in the System tab and the Graphics section. Here, scroll to the Quality and Performance. Look to the Effects setting. You can change it now from low to medium to high to epic to cinematic. Make your choice. I'll go with medium. After that, you can close this window. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.